Here's a fairly secluded spot that we really like. It's got a really cool beach. I don't want to give it away, but it's pretty awesome. So we're going to check it out. This is the only indication for the spot. There is no sign. I think they really don't want a whole lot of people here. Filled with really cool rocks. And here's the nice little path to come down. It's very rustic, but it's very strong. You don't have to worry about it at all. Everything about this beach is serene, including the nice little stream that comes down into the beach. And when the tide is right, the beach growls. People didn't used to build these things everywhere, but I think they're getting promoted in the park for people to leave stuff alone, so now you see them everywhere. One of the most rustically beautiful places in the park and probably in the world. As you get closer and closer to the water, the rocks get more and more spherical. This is the pink granite that's in the park, and this beach has rocks of pink granite in all shapes and sizes. It's really cool. If you're into rocks, this is the place for you. Look at that one. And there's plenty of rocks up there and over on the other side where you can just kind of climb and find your special spot and just sit there. Like I will be doing for some 360 videos, because it's just that cool.